Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I've not posted in a while, so I just filmed my FabFitFun unboxing for summer. Now I'm going to film my PR icon box for Boxycharm by Ipsy, which I didn't even know I was going to be getting. I have been getting the Boxycharm by Ipsy and PR, just the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which I'm not complaining, just putting it out there, the last few months. And then I just randomly got the icon box in PR. And I did get the Ipsy glam bag in PR before. I was paying for Boxycharm by Ipsy, but I have canceled that for now until I see things that I actually think I'm going to get use out of and be happy with. But I do have a link down below if you do want to sign up for Boxycharm by Ipsy icon box or the Ipsy glam bag. It gets me a little bit of commission as well as it saves you some money. But don't feel pressure to do that unless you actually think you're going to like Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I usually post spoilers. I still don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be posting spoilers anymore, but I might. Let me know if you're interested in seeing those. I have posted those previously. I haven't done it the last couple months. I've just been busy, but I am starting a new job where I will be able to post more. And I have been having an eczema flare up, so I haven't been wearing eyeshadow, which is very odd for me. I know first world problems over here, but I like wearing eyeshadow. It helps me. It's part of my mental health, self-care, self-love. So anyway, I'm not wearing any makeup right now, just skincare. And I did just get a little haircut. So yeah, and I only post vegan and cruelty-free content, and I'm going to be focused more on hyper-consumerism as well as only buying what you think you're actually going to use, not just because you think you need it. Let's get into this icon box. So first and foremost, so I did film a spoilers video and then I just decided not to post it. I just wasn't in the right mindset. So the icon box creators are Aaron Foster and Sarah Foster, which are their sisters. Their dad is David Foster. He's a famous music producer. That's all pretty much I know. I know he's married to Catherine McPhee from American Idol. And again, that's all I know for the most part. I think they produced Nobody Wants This, which that's a good show. I do know about that show because I do like it on Netflix. So, oh my God, they almost look like twins. Like, you know how some people are sisters and they don't look like they're sisters? They're very pretty, obviously. So I got from Ole Henriksen, which I do like a lot of her products. I actually don't even know if I've bought anything myself or I've just gotten things in boxes. But this is the Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. I'm kind of over a lot of dark spot products. There's a lot of them that come in these boxes. I'm like, how many do we need, first of all, if you really like a product like that? As well as I don't really care about my dark spots. I don't have a lot, but I was happy to see that this is supposed to help with not just dark spots, but fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture. It has 7% AHAs and witch hazel water. As I said, I am dealing with a eczema on my eyes right now. Ooh, okay. So I do like a lot of the products. I like that I have one that's a sprayer toner, different brands, but I do like trying different Ole Henriksen products. I haven't had any issues with them, but I'm glad it's not a vitamin C because that's usually what we get from them. And then I got from Kapari. I gave my husband a product that's similar to this from First Aid Beauty that I got in one of these boxes, but they are not cruelty-free anymore. Very upsetting because I liked a lot of First Aid Beauty products, but I'm not supporting a brand that tests on animals. Sorry, but animals are more important to me than buying products that test on animals. Haven't done that in 9 years, not ever going to. So this is from Kapari. This is a Body Bumps Be Gone smoothing body lotion with 3% AHA. I have been getting some bumps on my back. I thought this would be nice. And then my husband has KP on his arms. And then from Kosas, which I've only tried their concealer and it was bad. I don't care what people say. I did not like it. It was awful on me, okay? This is the Kosas Blushes Life Baked Dimensional and Brightening Blush in the shade Hype. It's a warm poppy pink. I don't know why the packaging is kind of bulky, as you can see. But it is a pretty shade. It's a nice baked kind of pearlized. And then it's very soft, which most baked products are. And there is the blush. I don't know if you can see like the sheen. There are some, I don't see there's actually any sparkles, but blends out nicely. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see it, but it doesn't look as intimidating as when I first saw it like in the pan as a pink, but I do like blush. I've only worn blush one time this week, which is, I love blush. I love makeup, but my skin has been just angry because I was ignoring my eczema. Never had it before. This is from Joy. It's Jooy. This is a leave-in soothing scalp serum. It's supposed to detoxify, relieves itchiness, controls flaking. It has fermented ACV, apple cider vinegar, and algae. I do deal with dandruff and some scalp issues, so I do like trying products like this. It says section hair and massage 2 to 3 drops directly onto dry scalp and do not rinse. It has witch hazel in it, which is also nice. Tea tree oil, which I like. Nettle, fermented blueberry, carrot, niacinamide, rose bay extracts, and rice water. So I'll get back to you on that if that works or not. I like the packaging a lot. And then this is not cruelty free. This is the only item that's not cruelty free in the box. And then there's another item that is cruelty free, but it's not vegan, so I will not be using it. But this is from Origins. I wish they were cruelty free. They seem like a brand that would be, but they're not. This is a consciously packaged Origins Utopia Peptide Plumping Apple Cream. I mean, it looks nice, but I'm not going to use it. It has fermented apple peels, some word I can't pronounce, and apple oil. It says avoid eye area. So I don't know. I'm going to give that to a family member. And then we have from Beauty Stat, which we've also gotten in Boxycharm as well. This is their Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. I like the color, but I don't like single-use products, and this is a very throwaway kind of product. It feels like a pad. I will try it, but I don't like products like this because I don't use makeup wipes. I try to really reduce my waste as much as I can, so I use like reusable products as much as I can, reusable wipes, you name it. So I don't really like that, but I will try this. To exfoliate, supposed to help with wrinkles, dull skin, uneven skin texture and tone. So we'll see about that. And then I got from Makeup by Mario, which I have actually bought. I have actually bought a product from Makeup by Mario. I got their brow gel, which was really good. And then I feel like I've gotten something else from Makeup by Mario. Oh, I got their concealer in Windsor. I gave it to my sister. It was just too drying for me. I gave it to my sister who's almost 15. This is the Lip Balm, their Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in the shade Petal Glow. So there is the shade, and you can twist up, but you can't twist down. So it has a almost minty, but not like a gum. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a sweet mint. I used it yesterday, and that was nice. So we'll see how that is. I like trying new lip products. And then last but not least, we got from Natasha Denona. Get a lot of Natasha Denona. I honestly would not pay full price for Natasha Denona because their items always end up going on sale, especially on the Ipsy site. But this is the bronze palette, which I would love to try Natasha Denona products. I actually have tried a blush duo, which I gave to my mom. But other than that, never tried anything from Natasha Denona because their eyeshadows always have carmine in them. And this is a beautiful palette that I would like to try, but not vegan. So carmine is crushed beetles, and that is definitely not vegan. So I, again, will probably be giving that to a family member because I do not sell things that I get in PR. That would be wrong because it's free. I did take a break, but I will be posting more now that I work closer to home. I have more time to edit and film and post. And once my eczema gets resolved, I will be wearing more. I will be actually able to wear eye makeup, which has been very unusual for me. That's part of my mental health care, my self-care, my self-love is doing makeup is something for me. It's very important to do something for yourself, whether it's makeup, whatever you like to do as a hobby or something that you're interested in, something that makes you happy. I do have a tattoo that says only you can make yourself happy, which is very true. If you enjoy videos that are more, so I do talk fast, I have ADHD, I get that, but if you enjoy videos that aren't going to be pushing new products, feeling like you need to buy stuff or else you're gonna have FOMO, using what you have, enjoying what you have, and not feeling like you need to try the newest, possibly best thing, or it could be crap, I would click subscribe. And as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. I hope to see you in my next video, and I hope you have a great day.